I'm Tara West, Director of Sales for Arte, and honored to present this luxury property to you located in the super exclusive enclave of Surfside. Arte is an exclusive oceanfront building offering 16 flow-through residences with beautiful expansive views of Atlantic Ocean, all designed by legendary architect Antonio Citterio. The finishes and attention to detail offered by Arte are unrivaled by any other building in the South Florida luxury portfolio. Roman travertine marble flows through the exterior to the interior of the building, highlighted by an exquisite bronze Shugo window system, creating a beautifully designed work of art. The property is highly amenitized, offering private services to ownership. Welcome to Arte. Come see for yourself.